Today I'll be calling cable. My name is Wakar Meyer and I'm your Elliott Wave analyst, reviewing what has been and predicting what is likely to be in cable price action. Since the last episode, price has continued to do basically what I've said it would do. Just recapping real quickly, working a multi-year triangle. I think we're in the E wave. I think this was the A wave of E. We then had an expanded flat B wave, and we're working 5 waves up to complete C. Now, in order for C to be complete, right, which would then finish, oops, sorry about that, which would then finish the larger degree E wave, as shown here, all that needs to happen is C needs to take out this terminus right here that I'm calling A. So that means price basically just has to break this second level of Fibonacci resistance, okay? And zooming in on a smaller time frame, that last chart was 1080 minutes. So this was the B wave ending right here. Since then it's moved up. It moved up in 5 waves to here. It had an A, B, and probably a C wave right here. So that finishes 2. And then since then it's moved up in 5 waves. This is a wave 1 here. This is an incredibly shallow second wave. Then you get a third, fourth, fifth wave um, with, I believe 5 is the longest there. Yeah, I can tell that's longer. And since the second wave here is an expanded flat, whatever is going on here with what 4 is going to be, highest probability says that 4 will not be a flat. So it'll likely be a zigzag or a triangle based on, I think I'll call it an educated guess. I think it's more likely that we're going to get a triangle because I think it's going to stay shallow. I think that if this right here is a wave of the triangle, I think it's a pretty good possibility that the B wave will throw over, right, going up higher than the terminus of 3. It'll finish out the triangle in a nice sideways movement, and then we'll get a thrust long, probably widest part of the triangle. But either way, that should easily take us above the 1.5410 area, which is what has to happen in order to take out the terminus of A. So when that happens, when I see the setup, when it turns in the short direction, I'll be tweeting out some trade advice. And you can follow me on Twitter at Calling Cable. Whenever I give trade advice, I tweet it out. And I do it, in real time. So as soon as I see the trade opportunity, I go ahead and tweet that out. So once again, if you like, you can follow me at Calling Cable. That's today's call. I hope you'll join me again for tomorrow's call.